Hello guys. So as you can see, this is the part 10 and this is the final part. So I just need to describe it more detail. I think it's just I need to do it more detailed explanation for you guys that you everything you are seeing it in here, they are actually from my idea actually, that how I'm gonna focus on this station and how I'm gonna do the scene design. So it's like you said that, like you were seeing it here, that it's a abandoned station. So like you have to, for the environment artist, you have to be that visionary to to focus your environments. Like I played a lot of games, so the ideas comes from there actually. So like you have this Crete and you have this when you have this kind of uh, assets that your foliage may grow around, so something like that I did. So everything you see, I can move around, and everything is movable, something like this. Okay. And I just collect these assets from the Megascan library. So to to manipulate the scene, to populate the scene, and also some previous assets. Okay. So it's a combination of you can say it's a combination of Substance Painter, um, Megascan library, and also the other assets, but they are all free assets actually. But the my station buildings are not free actually. If you need them, you can contact with me, or they are also like you say, like you saw in the previous video, they are modular asset pack. Like you can build them according to your needs actually. So yeah. And all the scenario you are seeing it from, they are actually the from the for scene creation, and for from the idea of mine actually. So you can see this rock, you see, I'm just using this part. And for the level design or environment design, whatever you're gonna call it, it's very passionate work, and you have to be passionate, and you have to be patient about it. And it's a lot of copy paste going on. Okay. Same assets, it's a repetition of same assets going on, lot of copies. Okay. Something like this. Okay. So something like this you can see. And the most important part is this, like how detailed you're gonna show your viewers, and how detailed you're gonna create the scene. That is the main goal. And you can see every asset are movable. Every asset are movable actually. Every asset are like so like from the mountains to the, you see, the mountains, they are also movable and Megascan assets. Okay. So when you do the level design actually, you have to collect the assets, and keep remember that your assets must look good, or kind of certain quality. So I use here all the high quality assets. So your assets needs to be high quality actually, to make your environment. Actually, it depends on what type of game you are building, what type of project you are building. Okay. if you are building with the like a mobile app, then the quality maybe not as high as it is. But if you are making a full graphics intent project, or you know the level, then you have a full uh, independence to use your graphics. So then you can go for high quality, something like that. Okay. Otherwise you have to tweak your settings a bit, and you know you have to optimize your assets and the quality. So this one I tried my level best, and for the high quality. A lot of details actually also needed, like something like this one. Let's say on this part. Okay. So like let's say I grab one option here, that's a Control D to copy. Okay. So like here I can put it around here. Okay. So on the ground, something like this, on the ground. Okay. Then you have to duplicate it several times. Duplicate it. Control D, Control D, Control D. Okay. Okay. Control D, Control D. Yeah, something like that. And then you can select them, and then you have again Control D, and again Control D. Okay. Then again Control D to take that part, and here let's say put it here. Okay. And then again Control D, and then again Control D. Some sort of like this and this. Okay. So you can see here it's something like this. Okay. And you can have you know Control D. You just have to bring that. Control D for this one. Control D, Control D, Control D. Okay. And Control D for like here also. So as you can see, with the minutes, with the seconds and minutes, I just create a pile of a wooden barrel with grass in there, and you can have something like here. Grab the bench, Control D. Okay. Take it here. Take it here, and also you can put it here, something like on that part. Okay. Some sort of like this. You can put it like on the ground like this. Okay. Control D to have another chair. Okay. So you can see how I am populating the things, and also you can grab this one also, and you can do is like this. You can rotate a bit, some sort of like this. Okay. and then what else? Maybe you can come to, you can grab this one. Okay, D, always copy paste. Level design, environment design is copying, pasting, copying, pasting repeated times. Okay, repeated times, and you must have you know, uh, you must have a vision to create what you are creating, some sort of like this, this, and this. Okay, so see, this is how I just created this this thing, and finally you have to give every changes, you have to make save. So this is how I just made the changes, or I just made the, you know, like you have to rotate this a bit because of the, yeah, maybe some sort of here. Okay, okay, also, yeah, also you can copy a tree, control D again here. Okay, but make sure your you know, your capacity to do that, and also maybe you grab this pile of bricks, or maybe this one, control D to have another copy, and you can set it somewhere else, maybe in a different time, different position. So guys, this is the way how I created this one, and maybe something you can go up to there and there. Okay, so still the scene is incomplete. I mean, you can go as much as detail, no matter how you can, you know, you can go crazy amount of detailing, no problem, but I am happy with this amount. So let's say maybe some barrels on the top of the um, on the top of the, where, oh, uh, yeah, something like here, maybe something position like here. Okay, like here, then you can use your imagination on this. Okay, something like this, something like this, and you have a something like this. Okay, so from this part, or this part, you can see the barrels are maybe here. Okay, so this is, guys, actually how I did all entire assets, actually entire environment. So I hope you get the idea, and get that how I can do that. And you know, if I play, if I go for the play mode, finally I have to go to the play mode. So if I go to the play mode, but you have to save it. go to the save option. And another one, you can see there are countless objects. There are countless objects here. So the best practice is to, make it folder by folder by folder. So like trees are in one folder. So if I off the trees, see the trees gone. Okay. And train lines, they are one folder. Okay, they are one folder like this. And train mines, so train station props, mountain. Okay, lighting, human guard, ground, and the station buildings. Yeah, this is the station buildings. You can click on to kind of on and off. So this is the best practice to kind of the layer wise. Think about the folders are the layer, and this is the landscape, and also this is the post processing, and this is the foliage option. So yeah, you can do that also, like grass, mm, grass, to make it more neat and clean. Okay, like a grass, put it in the grass option maybe. Yeah. Okay, so only you have the train and you have the post processing. So it's like up to you how you gonna uh, prepare your scene more professionally. So this is the thing. And if I go for the play option, let's say I go for the play option. Yeah, like you said, and I go for the full view. Like this is me, and oops, wait for a bit. Yeah, like you see, this is the full option. This is the full level. Okay, I'm playing this one. Unfortunately, I'm not adding any sound, any sound yet, but you can see, you can imagine that bird sound, and wind, wind flowing, and also lots of lot of that kind of construction noise, or kind of like a um, very suspicious music is going on, so something like that. Okay, so this is actually from me, the final one. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this series, and uh, you enjoyed a lot. And if you have any question, and if you have uh, anything to add, or anything to know, don't hesitate to contact with me. I am actually doing this level design in a series, and a lot of this kind of environment design, or level design tutorial is coming up. So please stay with me. Please keep my channel, keep subscribing my channel. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact with me. I have Facebook page with the OPUArt, and I have the YouTube with the OPUArt. I have both ways, and I'm uploading my content in both of the platforms. So please, guys, knock me, and if you have anything to share, please share with me. Thank you. I will see you again on the next series. Till then, bye bye, and have a nice day, everyone.